So in preparation for the next lesson, which continues to follow the hydrogen through his amazing journey in the universe, we need to know a little bit more about gravity, which is your next lesson. But in order to do that, we need to know the difference between mass and weight. All right, so mass. What is this thing called mass? So mass is how much stuff is in something. It's not how much it weighs, it's how much matter it's made up of. I like to use this definition because it's simple, right? So mass is the amount of stuff in an object. It's not how big it is, and it's not how much it weighs. It's how much matter it is actually made up of. Okay, so this is a styrofoam ball. This is a bowling ball. Assume they're the same size. Which one is going to have more mass? What do you think? I don't know. Lawrence. This is tough. I mean, it's the bowling ball has more mass. How do you know that? What made you think that this has more mass in it? It's probably because it's heavier. And there is a relationship between weight and mass, but they're not the same thing. This, if you think about it, in terms of which one has more stuff in it, you could take a styrofoam ball and with your hand you can crush it because there's less stuff in there. It's not as densely packed. The matter is not as densely packed. You can tell that there's less stuff in it because you can crush it with your hand. Okay, mass versus weight. Weight is dependent on how hard the planet is pulling on your mass, where mass is how much stuff you're made of. Okay? On Earth, I'm about 100 kilograms of mass. That's how much stuff I'm made of. And I can jump about 8 inches off the ground if I'm playing basketball. You don't want to get in my way, man. I got an 8-inch vertical. But on the moon, even though I'm the same mass, 100 kilograms, I can jump about 5 times as high as I can on Earth, which is 40 inches, just over 3 feet. I have a 3-foot vertical jump. I could probably dunk a basketball on the moon. Why can I jump higher on the moon? Because the moon has less gravity. Why? Because the moon has less mass. This is what we've been talking about. The more mass, the more the gravity. And the more the gravity, the more it pulls on me and the heavier I'm going to be.